Where's Mama going?
I'm gonna have a needle.
I'm going to have a needle. That's right. You remember? Will Mama be okay?
Yeah, the daddy said you'll be okay. Have a good luck.
What did you say?
Good luck. Have a good luck.
What did you say? What did you say again?
Have a good luck.
Have a good luck.
Hello. I really got dressed up. So Mom is opening the drink.
Okay, keep going. Tell me what I'm doing.
You open the drink. Open the bag.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Good morning from baby Celine. Wait, hiccups. Yawning. I can feel you're doing a pee-pee as well. Because my hands are very, very warm. Diba? Everything's happening, anak. Say, hi, tita and tito. How are you today? Siklo man ko. So, it's early in the morning, guys. It's not even 9 o'clock. We are already, actually, si Daddy Mike, nire-ready pa niya si Baby Paris kasi tulog pa. Pinapabihisan ko. Dito, binihisan ko na. So, she's ready. Are you ready? Where are you going? Anak? So, this is it. Pansit. So, today ay mangyayari na talaga yung shall I say kinakatakutan ko, guys? I don't know if that's even the right word to use. Kasi, totoo naman talagang kinakatakutan ko. Today is my first dose of my Pfizer vaccine. And, if you have been watching my videos, alam nyo na na-mention ko na several times na sobra akong natatakot. So, Daddy Mike is now fully vaccinated. And, ako na lang yung kulang. So, first vaccination ko today, actually, si Daddy Mike pa talaga yung nag-book nito. Kasi, si mami niyo ay chicken. Natatakot nga ako, guys, kasi nga because of the influence of social media, diba? Nakikita ko yung mga tao na ganito yung epekto sa kanila, yung mga negative yung nakatatak sa utak ko. So, hindi ko inisip na out of that negative na nababasa ko, there's probably, hundreds, thousands more na positive, diba? Yung walang nangyari sa kanila, no? Wala silang kaanong nararamdaman. So, what I'm worried about is that, alam niyo yun, if ever yung epekto sa akin is yung bang magkasakit ako alam niyo namang meron akong maliit, diba? So, ipapadede ko to, aalagaan. I know Daddy Mike is there, guys, but still, it's different kasi ako yung nagpapadede, diba? Kaya, and in general naman talaga, guys, like, you don't want to feel sick. But then, I think with all the vaccinations naman talaga, it's very natural na merong epekto at, may mga side effects, ganyan. So, yeah. So, gagawin ko na ngayon, 9 o'clock yung appointment ko. And Daddy Mike was very excited. Kaninang umaga, ginising niya talaga ako. Sabi niya, get up na daw kasi malilate. And I said, why are you so excited? Siya talaga yung nagpupush sa akin, guys. Kasi, you know why? Sinasabi niya talaga because we are not allowed to travel nga, diba? Kahit over, interstate lang kapag hindi kami vaccinated. So, are you listening to Mama, nak? So, diba nga yung plano namin na mag-move na kami ng Brisbane? So, if hindi ako vaccinated, then it means there's no chance na makakalis kami ng Victoria, ng Melbourne. So, that's why he's saying that, well, apart from that as well, it's for the health of the family and for everyone around us. Kasi diba, sinasabi nga nila, if you're not vaccinated, you're a threat. You're a threat to everyone. Kasi, you can easily get the vaccine, the virus, and then your body is not prepared for it kung wala kang vaccine. No. And mama is being responsible kahit na natatakot si mama. Mama is being responsible for her baby. So sleepy ka na. Sleepy mo din yung kasama ko na bata. Oh, ay piyong naku, saan pagto sa tingong mama na music to your ears. Tingnan nyo, big girl na ang ating baby. Oh, shush. How old are you na? Baby Celine will be what? 2 months old tomorrow. Wow. You're 2 months old na, anak. I can't believe it. Shush. Sinusundan niya yung camera ba? Can you see yourself, nak? Can you see yourself? Ha? Kinausap ko naman yung bestie ko, guys, kasi he already had his first dose. And sabi niya, you'll be fine. And I think it's normal naman siguro matakot, no? With all those feedback na nababasa mo online, nakakatakot naman talaga. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below kung fully vaccinated na kayo dyan, or anong plano nyo. Kasi I know some people na ayaw nila talagang magpa-vaccine, guys. And you know what? We all have our rights, diba? Kung gusto mo magpa-vaccine or not, it's your decision. So walang makakapag-push sa yan. And yes, sa akin, yes, I'm scared, but then at the same time, I'm willing to do it. So, I've got no issues with people na ayaw nilang magpa-vaccine. Totally understand. So, may kanya-kanya tayong pag-iisip. So, mga matatanda na tayo. So, we don't need, we don't need pushing pa. Because we all have our own understanding. Pero ito ay tulog na. Yan siya. Good night, princess. Good night, princess. Shush. Hala, ang hinawakan ni mami, nakatulog. Okay. Shh. Hello, ate. Good morning. What's going on? What is that? You don't want your hand? Oh, your hat? You don't want your hat? You don't have to wear your hat if you don't like it.
Where's her red button?
Huh? I'm not sure. Oh, you want to be like Elsa? Okay, I'm gonna do her hair. Okay, come here. Okay, good morning, baby. Kakalabas lang ng Ate Paris from bedroom. Kakagising lang yan. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. Kiss Baby Celine. Baby Celine is sleeping again now. You just woke up and Baby Celine is sleeping again. Oh, good morning na Baby Celine. Did you have a good sleep, honey? Did you have a good sleep? Where are you going?
Shops.
Where's Mama going?
I'm gonna have a needle.
I'm going to have a needle. That's right. You remember? Will Mama be okay?
Yeah. The daddy said you'll be okay.
Daddy said I'll be okay. Yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be alright.
Cause you're grown up.
Oh, because I'm a grown up. That's right. Mama's strong. Mama's brave. Yeah?
So I.
Yeah, you are too. You got it from Mama.
Yeah.
She said she's brave, Daddy, and strong, like Mama.
Are you brave?
Yeah.
You want to get a needle too? Huh?
But I don't have a baby.
She doesn't have a boo-boo, she said, so she doesn't have to. Okay, Daddy, hold Baby Celine. I'm gonna do her hair.
Mama.
Yes.
Papa, come here.
You can't hear because you're covering your ear. You're covering your ear. Have a look, Baby Celine. Hinuktok sa iya. Hinuktok siya sa iyang pamahaw. Ano sa iyang pamahaw na? She's already sleeping, Bob.
Bye.
Where's your hair tie?
Mayuk,
Have you seen that clear?
Mayuk.
Yes. Speaking.
My baby
She's very tired, baby. Very tired. Kanina pa to siya gising. Kanina pa to siya gising. Ay. Daddy hold you. Daddy hold you. There you go. Okay. Ay. Come on, I'll get you ready na. Tingnan niyo guys. Binili namin for baby Celine. Ayan. When she can stop, playing.
Your Jocelyn.
Ducky mittens, scrubby and shower cap.
Bring your medicine.
This one is hooded towel, scrubby and shower cap. Oh, similar pala to sila. Come here, Nanak.
I really need my bag.
Okay. Bring your bag. Dr. Paris. Come on.
A few moments later.
You going with Daddy? Be a good girl, okay? Daddy, keep an eye out.
Come on, Paris.
Kiss Mama.
Have a good luck.
What did you say?
Good luck.
Good luck.
What did you say? What did you say again?
Have a good luck.
Have a good luck. Thank you, honey. I love you. Thank you so much. I'll take you with Daddy.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Are you crying?
I don't want a toy.
You want a toy?
Yeah, but the better than choose one.
Yeah, we don't have money. We will buy toy when we have money.
No, the dad's starting to buy me one.
What did you say?
My dad is starting to give me one, but I didn't choose one.
Ah, so Daddy is going to buy you one, but you didn't choose one. Why didn't you choose one?
Cause
It was your chance.
I don't like everything. Cause I don't want everything.
Ah, so you want everything. Daddy wants you to choose one.
I just want one.
It's your fault then.
I want to get my toy.
You should have grabbed the opportunity now when Daddy asked you to choose one.
No, I really want some now. I really want now.
Ayun na guys, so pwede na tayo makaalis ngayon kasi 15 minutes na. Ooh. Have a look na. Have a look. Have a look. Hello. Update tayo. It's now 10:30 ng umaga. And first dose done. Pakita ko sa inyo ang ebidensya. Ayan. Kita ba? Si Daddy Mike is happy now, guys. But you know what? Alam niyo yung sabi ng ng nurse sa akin, yung tumupok nito. Oh my gosh, she's waking. Iiyak na naman yun ngayon. Kasi one of my concerns is yung kasi nga I'm breastfeeding, di ba? So obviously nag-aalala ako kung patuloy ko bang bigay yung milk ko kay baby Celine. Ayan, umiiyak na. And then, yeah, what she said was, it was actually really good because through my milk, parang maitatransfer ko rin kay baby Celine yung vaccine. So, sabi niya, it's really good. Tinanong ko nga si Ate Paris kung gusto niyang magde-DM. Okay, we're going. I'll just chika with you later guys ha, kasi umiiyak na tong batang etech. Ayan guys, kakauwi lang namin pero nandito pa kami sa loob ng sasakyan ni Baby Celine kasi natutulog pa siya. Pumasok na si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris. Hindi ko natapos yung chika ko doon kanina, no. So, yeah, again, natapos na. Ayan, sa first dose, Pfizer yung sa akin guys. And yung second dose ko is not until 9th of December. So, basically, in 1 month time. So, yun nga, tinanong ako ng nurse kung may mga concerns ba daw ako, kung may katanungan ako before nila ako turukan ng vaccine. And, yun yung pinaka-concern ko kasi kung I am able to breastfeed Baby Celine after ng aking vaccination. So, sabi niya, it's actually like perfect guys na nagpa-vaccine ako. Kasi through my milk nga daw, maipapasa ko kay Baby Celine yung vaccine and it will protect her also. And that actually made me like, okay, I'm gonna do it because, you know, it's such a big thing for me na mapupunta din sa baby ko yung vaccination para ma-cover din siya sa virus na to. Kasi nga, diba, before sinasabi nila yung mga matatanda lang, yung nadadapuan nito. And then, just recently, sabi nila, may mga, may mga kids na daw, may mga babies na daw na naapektuhan ng virus. Kaya, it's good to know that. And sinabi din sa akin ng nurse na the other day daw, yung mga nurses from the hospitals, pumunta daw, nagpa-vaccine daw. And sabi nila, marami nga daw mga pasyente sa ICU right now na due to COVID. Tapos, lahat daw sila, yun yung mga tao na hindi vaccinated. So, it just shows that masobra talaga yung epekto ng virus sa mga tao na hindi vaccinated. Kaya, I'm very glad that I've done mine. Yung parang na-enlighten yung mind ko ba na nakausap ko yung nurse about it. So, and then, after ng vaccination, obviously, you have to wait outside for 15 minutes just in case merong yun bang allergic reaction. So, after 15 minutes, makakaalis ka na. I never felt anything naman, thanks God. And I'm hoping na hindi ako magkasakit, you know what I mean? Kasi yung iba, may mga nararamdaman, diba? So, with Daddy Mike naman, guys, wala naman siyang sore arm lang yung sa kanya. And then, wala naman talaga yung sobrang may naramdaman si Daddy Mike, which is good. It makes me feel like, you know, hopefully, ganun din ako. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike na pagdating ng bahay, maybe I should take Panadol, yung paracetamol ba. Just in case lang naman, kahit wala akong nararamdaman ngayon. But, you know, maybe to prevent na lang, instead of mamaya, lagnatin ako, mag-inom lang ako ng Panadol now. I'm looking forward now for my second dose. And then, kasi dito sa Victoria, guys, sobrang dumami na naman talaga yung cases. I can't believe it. Like, it's more than 1,000 cases in a day. If I'm not mistaken. Then, yung government, sinasabi nila na maybe by next month, yung mga fully vaccinated na ay magiging free na. So, until now, we are still in lockdown. So, I think nag-start yung lockdown July. September, July, September. Yeah, July I think. And then hanggang ngayon, October. So sinasabi nila na pag fully vaccinated ka na by next month, parang ma-free ka na. So you are free to do anything as long as kasi anong tawag dito, mailalagay na sa record namin na or record ng government na fully vaccinated ka na. And then, you know, I think they're gonna open the shops again. And then, you can, you know, start going to the restaurant again. Kakain ka sa restaurant. But then, you need that pass na fully vaccinated ka. So, after doon, guys, pumunta ako ng Vietnamese shop. Yung pinupuntahan ko to buy my fried rice and coffee. I don't know if you can see me there, guys, huh? I think it's too dark. Anyways, wala kasing mapaglagyan, guys. Nagpark na ako labas ng bahay. Ayan. Kinain ko na ngayong aking fried rice. Oh, Kasi kayo napaiyak-iyak tong ating baby girl. Natulog naman siya ngayon, no? Gising yan siya pag nagustuhan niyang dumede. And Daddy Mike is very sweet. Kasi he took a day off today. Sinabi niya sa kanyang boss na just in case Jovey won't feel well, nandun ako, hindi siya nagtatrabaho at maalagaan daw niya yung mga bata. Obviously, ako maalagaan niya ako and then andyan siya para sa mga bata pa. Kasi, just in case lang naman, you'll never know. Diba? Hindi mo alam kung ano yung magiging effect sa'yo. Kaya, super thankful to Daddy Mike din. And so far, I'm good. It's been a couple of hours now. 9, 10, yeah, a couple of hours. And I'm feeling okay. Yung sore arm lang talaga from the needle. But, apart from that, yeah, I'm fine. So, hopefully, fingers crossed, it will just, stay like this.
A few moments later.
Kaya pala paiyak-iyak, nakatulog na pala. Sleepy na pala yun siya. Andito na ang aming in-order na drink.
I just bring it and I wait to Tito.
Did you wave to Tito?
Yeah, I did.
Good job, Shelby. So what you got? Okay. It's okay. Look at the baby feeling.
Whoa, that's two.
I know.
That's too fast. I want the pink ones.
You can share.
Yeah.
Hindi mo, open up. Hold the camera. I'll open it for you. Hold the camera.
My which color?
Oh, they're the same one. The same.
The same purple.
Yes. Hold to the camera, man. Hold the camera. Talk to the camera.
Hello. I really got dressed up. So Mom is opening the drink.
Okay, keep going. Tell them what I'm doing.
You open the drink. Open the bag.
Not your vlog ba? You hold it like this, away from you like that, and then you talk. Tell them what you're having.
I'm having a drink.
Show mommy, babe. Show mommy in the camera. Show your mommy in the camera ba?
I hold it now. I hold it.
Buang mo na siya. Buuan naman tala niya. Andito ang aking guys. Yung aking tupok. Hindi man makita.
Okay.
Ang vaccine.
Let's open. Let's open these.
So, we ordered from Chatime.
Mama,
I have taro milk tea with coconut with pearls and coconut jelly. And then I ordered also frozen chocolate. Which one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Ang ating baby Celine ay natutulog doon, if you can see. Hindi ko matapos-tapos ang ating mga tutupiin, guys. Anyways, bon appetit na. What's going on? Hindi mo bon appetit because you're not eating, you're drinking, no? Can you open mine as well? Please.
I don't need it really.
Okay. Thank you. Hala. Kulong mo man yung mama na kayo. Talage. Love chat time. It is now 5:40 ng hapon. We're outside.
Mommy.
Everyone's outside.
This is nail. Yes, down from there.
Where? Oh yeah. How did you find it now? It's under there.
Bye-bye.
Didi! Hello! Hello, Baba! I'll go for a walk. Check the mailbox quickly, nak.
Where's the room?
Check the mailbox. Mama will check it.
No, I don't.
Abracadabra! Nothing. Nothing.
I'm not gonna cry.
Oh, it's a bit cold. This way, Nak. Close. Shall we close it?
No. This is okay. Look at that.
Hit the window. Oh, good girl. Eh, kadidi-didi na muna kang mama. Nak na? Who's going for a walk? Baby Celine.
There's an flowers. Yeah.
We got home to have a stack of fruit.
I'm gonna do the jump.
Hawak kamay.
I'm gonna do the jump.
Di kita. Next time, soon, will be no more pram and Celine will just hold Daddy's hand. We're just going for a walk habang hindi pa siya madilim, guys. I know it's nearly... Yes, honey?
Look at this.
Okay. Habang hindi pa siya, madilim ba? Jordanville Station. Kasi, kahit na malapit na siya mag 6 o'clock, guys. Daylight savings kasi dito sa Melbourne. Kaya, hindi pa siya madilim.
Paris remembers when she fell here before. You know when she fell?
Oh, yeah, man.
Probably about
Long time
5
ago.
months ago.
My knee's better now.
Your knee is better now. You have a really good memory, Paris.
Maybe we should take you to the
Yeah,
doctor
yeah.
to get a needle for that one.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Tignan
Yeah.
niya ang ating baba, oh. Very quiet lang. Hello! Hello! Do you wanna come out too? You'll play with Ate
Spider.
Paris soon? What's this one here, Bob?
Golf course.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Maganda dito sa lugar namin, guys.
Free
Oh,
forever.
kasi mga...
Daddy's throwing that many coffee cups into that tree.
Baba Celine. Kanyang daddy at Ate Paris ay nandoon. Oh. Kik, 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 kik. Good girl.
Come on this one. Come sit on my lap. Come sit on my lap.
Next time, anak,
Go really hard together.
you play with Ate Paris, okay?
We'll go high together. Come on.
Okay? There's a camera there, buddy. Yeah. You want one, Nak?
You wanna come help me? Do you wanna come like a big girl and climb across the bridge again? Bye.
So cool.